Good morning students. In previous video we were preparing for the traditional tool. Now here next we will prepare for seed drill machine. So nowadays the seed drill given in a figure 1.2 B section is used for sowing with the help of tractor. So these seed drills are used with tractor, and with the help of this seed drill machine seeds are being sown in farm. This tool sows the seed uniformly at proper distance and depth, so you can see the endpoints are attached with the soil. So from upper side seeds are being given, and with the help of this lower endpoint pipes you can see the seeds can be given at a proper distance and in a proper depth also. It ensures the seed get covered by the soil after sowing. This prevent damage caused by birds. Sowing by using a drill saves the time and labor. So with the help of this implement it saves a person's time and labor also. And after sowing seed with the help of this drill machine, it is good for seeds not to be damaged by birds, and it will have a proper distance between two plants also. Now here Bujo says that there is a nursery near my school. I found that little plants were kept in a small bag. Why are they kept like this? So here near Bujo's school one nursery is there. Nursery means it is a place where plants are being grown and taken care. Different type of plants are being grown, and it is being kept in a small bag, if you have seen ever. So here Paheli gives answer for this. Seeds of a few plants such as a paddy are first grown in nursery. So here this Paheli gives an example for paddy. Paddy means rice. So here it is said that paddy plant, that means rice plant, are first grown in nursery. That means it is in a place where so many different plants are grown and taken care. When they grow into a plantlets, they are transplanted into the field manually. That means when they grow in nursery, after taken from nursery, it is being planted in field and farm. Some forest plant and flowering plant are also grown in nursery, and like this type, different type of forest plants or flower plants are also being grown in nursery, and we can buy from there. Now next paragraph, an appropriate distance between seed is important to avoid overcrowding of a plant. So here seed drill machine is used so that it can keep a distance between two plants. So like that seeds are being sown in such a manner so that it can avoid overcrowding of a plant. And if distance will be mannered, then it is good for the plant to get nutrient in a proper manner. This allows plant to get sufficient sunlight, nutrient and water from the soil. Sometimes a few plants have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. So if you know, or if you have seen in any of a farm, some of the weeds, that means grass, are being taken out so that they can't take the water or take the nutrient from the main plants. And even plants are being grown in a seed such a manner in such a manner that they can get water and a nutrient and sunlight in a sufficient manner. Now next point is about adding manure and fertilizer. So before this we have prepared about the tools, how tools are used for sowing the seed, then selection of a seed, and now adding manure and fertilizer with soil. So how manure and fertilizer are being added with soil? The substance which are added to the soil in form of nutrient for healthy growth of a plant are called manure and fertilizer. So the plant can get nutrient. How we get nutrient from food? Like that, plant also need nutrient. So for nutrient of a plants, manures and fertilizers are being used for plants and mixed with soil. Here again Bujo says that I saw a healthy crop growing in a farm. In the neighboring farm, the plant were weak. Why do some plant grow better than others? So here he saw that some of the plants have grown healthy and some of the plants have grown weak. So why this happen? Soil supply mineral nutrient to the crop. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plant. So mineral, here it says that plant get mineral and nutrient from soil, and this nutrient help plant to grow in certain area. Farmer grow crop after crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated or fallow. Imagine what happened to the nutrient. So if in this season if any crop is grown, then next season another crop is grown, and then after next season one another crop is grown, like that. If crops are grown one by one without keeping the land uncultivated, so the plants are not able to get nutrient how much they want or how much it is needed for a plant. Continuous growing of a crop make the soil poorer in a certain nutrient. So here if the crop will grow continually, that means for 4 months one crop, again after harvesting of this crop, then next one is grown, again after harvesting of a second crop, third crop are grown. So if this will happen continuously, then there will be less of nutrient in the soil, and the plant will grow in a weak manner. Therefore farmer have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrient. This process is called manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring result in a weak plant. So if farmers are growing one by one crop in a farm, then they have to add some of the manure. That means if they will add manure to the soil, then plants will get the nutrient how much it is necessary for a plant. So this replenishing of a soil, that means adding the manure to the soil in a field one by one for one by one crop, this is called as manuring. And if manuring is also not in a proper manner, then the plants will grow in a weak manner. Manure is an organic substance obtained from decomposition of a plant and animal waste. So decomposition means, how dead animals and plants are mixed with the soil with the help of that organic microbes. So it is being made, plants and animals are decomposed, that is called as manure. Only one type of. Farmer dump plant and animal waste in pit at open place and allow it to decompose. So farmer take all the dry plants leaves and some waste of animal, and they put in one place in one pit, and when they are kept for 2 weeks or more, then they get mixed together with soil and they become decomposed. The decomposition is caused by some microorganism. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. So you have learnt in 7th standard also how this decompose are being made by microorganism, and this decompose is used as manure for the field and farm. You have already learnt in about vermicomposting in class 6. So if you know something, some points about this vermicomposting, how vermicomposting are being done in 6th standard, if you have read. So vermicomposting are being done with the help of this microorganism, and some of the vegetable scraps and some of the animal waste are being mixed together and kept in a one pit, and when they are mixed together for a week or more than a week, then it will turn into a decompose, and that decompose is used for farm, and that is also called as vermicompost.